guys, we want to fill this cup of oil. This, I say cup. What's up, guys? This is the remaining oil that I used to fry yesterday. I want to put it in this container. Maybe I might use it again before it gets expired. Then I will, after using it once again, but it's not going to take long, then I'm going to throw it away at the dustbin, because we do not throw oil inside the sink. We put it, there is a dustbin outside that where you put any oil that you have used that you does not want to use again. You go and put it out there, throw it away, because today is cleaning. Okay. Okay, now let me wipe out everything. I've already taken care of this oil.